If you don't want to miss any of my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you can get notified when the video comes out.
Because it's paperless.
Right. Exactly. And then, okay, cash pay or that? Okay, how much value would you like to give me?
Well, I'm at 3 minutes 9 for Shady Grove. Okay, let's see how I can have my smart chip card on.
What you got then?
Alright. Where's my wallet? There we go, got it now. There we go. 350. But I don't know how to get back.
Get ready to touch it.
Yep. Because it's paperless. Look at it, it's a smart trip right there. Because it's paperless. Enter your PIN number. Yes? Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Here we go. Yep.
Oh, cool.
We go. Hang on, I'm gonna pause the video. Look. Alright guys, here we go. There. Here comes the train. Ooh, wow. There's an elevator, but it just already left.